How's everybody doing? I'm not going to waste any of y'all's time today. I'm going to get straight into how to escape that zero view jail and initially get your account unshadowbanned. And I'm going to show y'all some of the basic tools to get your video set up and your account started. And I'm also going to go over some niches that y'all should cover, or just getting your ideas turning for how to do it and how to research that content. I'm just going to go through pretty much everything that I had questions on in the beginning when I was researching all this, and I'm going to try and answer it all for y'all in this video. So to start out, we've got 4K Video Downloader, which this is a great website, which you just click on the website. I'll leave the link in the description, and you download it, and you just go get your links from YouTube or TikTok, and you paste them in here, and it gives you that video that you can use. You get 10 a day unless you want to buy more, but this is free, so it's not that bad. And CapCut, another free thing. It's super great for editing your videos. I know it's commonly talked about, but it's another free platform, and I'll show you all a couple of tips and tricks on how to get your initial videos. Doesn't matter what content you're posting, but just some good ideas to get started. And without further ado, let's get into the video. And if y'all have any questions, this is a brand new channel. I'm doing this for y'all. I would love to help y'all. Just email me, and I'd love to hop on a Zoom and take you through the steps, see your channel, and help however I can. But let's not waste any more of your time and get straight into it. So I'm starting a brand new channel here. I want to show y'all, and I started out, so you've got to age it a little bit. I mean, not as much as all these people are saying. Literally just hop on, scroll on there like a day, watch some long form videos. Next day, you can even like some of those long form videos. Next day, just scroll on there a little bit more, watch a couple bit more, and you can comment and like and heart some comments or whatever you want to do on there to show you're human. Just don't act like a bot, and don't ever constantly refresh your stuff either. That's what killed some of my earlier channels, is just refreshing it and always going on there and acting like a bot. Just act normal. Just go on there and act like you normally would on your YouTube, and it'll warm it up perfectly. And another thing with that, posting like a long form video with your face on it, it does not have to be long at all. Just something like that to show YouTube that you're real is a great way to get these counts from like 0 views to like at least starting out to just get like 1.1k views. And this long form video I posted, like it was really dumb, like 4 views, but it showed the account that I was human. Like this video right here had like 22 views for like a day and a half, and the second I posted that, it shot up. So I think that's a good way for some of your accounts are just stuck at 0 views to kind of get it out there and get it pushed into the shorts feed. And this is another video I posted right after it realized I was a human, and it got up there. And the reason they were just sticking at 1.1, 1.2, not many views at all, is because I was posting them at like 8:30 at night. I thought that would be a great time for my niche, and I just kept doing it because YouTube also likes consistency. But I kind of switched it up a little bit, and I posted at 3 o'clock, and this video literally shot up to like 30.6k views. Brand new channel, so I mean, it's not crazy like some of these other people that are starting their videos off showing you all this, but it's a start. And I mean, it's got a great percentage viewed. The swipe rate's like 75%, so it's definitely got some good analytics. And let's just take a look at it right here for this video. So the engaged views always are a little bit lower, but that's even higher than I thought. 78.8% click rate. It's also because the click rate is when someone swipes through the video, it's the percentage of that. And I have these red arrows at the beginning and a captivating clip that gets that initial audience to stick around and get that click rate up. Yeah, that's a great way to get like an initial hook. Like in CapCut, I'll show you all in a later video, but there's like these arrows you can go add in at the initial part of your video. Just a simple arrow like that just grabs people's attention and shows them that they want to watch this video. And hooks are super important. I can get into that in later videos, but I just want to show you all. Basically, I'm just starting off this channel, and this channel that I just changed that on just shot up to this, finally getting out of the first initial view jails. And I just want to show y'all like a super easy clip that I just made. Like y'all get like an Instagram page and make it, just start scrolling on there. Say you're not interested in any other niche except the one you're studying. Go through that niche that you want to focus on. Like for this one, I'm doing motivation. So I've started an Instagram page that I've literally only went through and followed motivation channels and motivational content, and it gives me so much good stuff that I would normally have to research, but it gives me great ideas, and I can take those ideas and form them into my own content. Alright, so I want to come over here and show y'all a couple videos. I've made a bunch, but I just want to take an example and get the gears turning in y'all's heads of like what kind of content to make and where to start and where to get your ideas from. It doesn't matter what niche you go into. Like all these videos are completely different. These are just from other niches I started before, but all here are motivational niches that I've went into and seen other pages posting similar content, and I've went and found like a podcast or a baseball clip or Kanye not happy or something like that, and I've completely transformed it into some motivational kind of thing, which does take a little creativity, but ChatGPT can help a lot with that for hooks. And just use your heads, boys. I mean, y'all have got this. I know that it's hard to get started, but once you do and just find something you're passionate about, you can really make some good content out there with CapCut and all these other tools that you can use. But the main two, if you want to go and repurpose clips like I'm doing for this channel, you have to download them, which 4K video downloader is a great one to use, and CapCut again is just great overall. I mean, you can do so much on here, and those are the main two you really need for like, CapCut. You don't have to buy all these AI tools and all this stuff. Like literally this is free. Like everything I'm gonna ever tell you is gonna be free. Like, and if y'all ever need help, like come email me. I would love to hop on a Zoom and get to know some of y'all and help y'all out however I can with whatever questions y'all have. But anyways, let's get into like this recent video that I just made. So okay, so I mean, it's pretty simple. I have a white bar PNG that ChatGPT can make for you. Just say make a white bar for CapCut. It'll create this for you. You can go and add this in right here. You can go and download a video, whatever you want. Doesn't even matter what you do. Like go grab someone else's video, put it in here. But like, you don't want that to ever pop up. Just make sure it looks pretty original and you've edited a good amount. Like transform it into something positive or whatever you're doing in your niche. Like this obviously doesn't have subtitles, but I've transformed it. But yeah, that's literally all you do for that. You would, to do all this, you would just click import, and like for example, if I downloaded a video through this, it would come up in some file, and you drag it into here, and once you do that, you just click on it and drag it down here, and that's where this tab comes from, the white bar. Drag it right on top, that's where this tab comes from. And text is super simple. You just drag text on top, put whatever you want, and you're done. You can add an audio like I did here. And all I did for this was like this thing right here. You can drag it over and just kind of fade the music in. And there's so much more you can do. This is just a super simple example for you guys getting started. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this video. Just how to get out of that initial view jail. This is my first motivational channel, so we'll see how this goes, but I'm here to help you boys. Again, any of y'all have some questions, I'd love to help and get y'all started, because this truly has so much money to be made on here, and all these gurus are always trying to sell information. Like, I spent so long just watching countless hours of videos, and at the end or through the middle of the video they're like, but if you actually want to learn how to do this, follow the 7-day course that costs this. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I just hate that. So I'm purely making this channel just to help those of y'all out there that want to actually succeed in this and need help getting that initial start. That's what I'm here for, boys. And again, you have any questions, no charge, please email me. I check it every day. I'm in exams, but I'm finishing school up here for the break pretty soon. So y'all need some help, I'm here for you.